this video, I will show you how to install Windows 8 in VirtualBox. Just download the VirtualBox from the internet and install. Open it, you'll see this kind of a screen. I've installed this virtual OS. You will not see this at start. Just click on new, type the name you want. Select Windows 8 32-bit or 64-bit from drop down list. Here nothing is written, that means it's 32-bit. I'll install 64-bit. So select it, click next. Just allocate the RAM. I'll allocate 1 GB of RAM. Click next. You have to create a new hard disk to install Windows 8. So create a new hard drive, virtual hard drive. Click on create. Select virtual hard disk option. Your many options. Will select virtual hard drive. Click next. You can select either fix allocate or dynamically allocate. In fix allocate, it will allocate at once only. In dynamic allocated, it will gradually increase the size up to which you have allocated. Click next. I'll allocate 100 GB of space. You can specify the location where you want to install. Select virtual Win 8 and save it. That's E drive VirtualBox VMs. Create. Now your hard disk is already created. Just now we need a Windows 8 disk. Just cancel it. See the drive where it is mounted. It's N drive. Now click on start by selecting the new hard drive you have created. Click on start. It will ask you for the host drive where the Windows 8 disk is installed, mounted. It is on N drive, so select N drive. Click on start. Now here you can see language to install. It's only one. Time and currency format. English India. Select. Now keyboard layout. If you have rupee sign on your keyboard, just select English India, or you can select US. Just click next. Click on install now. Select the operating system you want to install. Architecture x86 means it's 32-bit. Will install 64-bit. Pro VL. Enterprise is not for home users. Home user, for home user it's Windows 8, Windows 8N, Windows 8 Pro, Windows 8 Pro VL. These are all different versions available. I'll select Windows 8 Pro VL. Click next. Just accept the license. Just click on custom install Windows only, not upgrade. We have to select custom. Now as you have created the hard disk, but we have to allocate the hard disk to Windows 8, so I'll select that unallocate space and click on drive option. Create new. I'll allocate whole hard disk to Windows 8. Just select apply. Now you can see the total size is 99.7 G and free space is 99.7 G. That means it is not formatted. We have to format it. So click on format. Here you can see it became 99.5 GB, means it is now formatted. Just select this drive. The system is by default. System reserved is made by default by Windows 8. Select the other drive and click next. Now the windows will be expanded. So wait until it becomes 100%. Now you can see it's 97% done. Just wait for it to complete. It's 99% done. The Windows is restarting. Just don't press any key. As we have already installed the Windows, we do not have to boot from CD. Now we can unmount. Unmount. You can check that it is unmounted. Just wait to complete the process. The black screen is normal here. The devices are getting ready. Just wait. The screen may blank for several times. Don't worry, it's normal. PC is getting restarted. Just wait. Now it will not ask from to boot from CD as we have removed the CD. The PC is getting restarted. Just wait. The installation time depends on your RAM you allocate. If you allocate the RAM higher, the installation process will be fast. I have allocated only 1 GB, so installation process is slower. Now here you can select any color you want. You can change the dialog box here, change the color of dialog box. I'll select this one. Just type the name of your PC. I'll write Virtual 8. Click next. Now you can customize these settings, but there is no need to customize it. Just click on use express setting. If you want to change, you can customize it, but I'll use express settings. Now in Windows 8 you can link your Hotmail account through Windows 8, and you can sync your Facebook account with Windows 8 also. You can view your mails in Windows 8 app also. For that you have to write your Hotmail account like this. Just click next. It will check for Microsoft account, but there is no Microsoft account like that, so just I'll click on cancel. I don't have Microsoft account, so I'll click sign in without a Microsoft account. You can create email account if you are connected to the internet also. You can do it afterwards also. Just click sign in without a Microsoft account. Just click on local account, type the name, just click finish. Now you will enjoy the slideshow of color. After this, just move your mouse to the right hand side corner like this. Now you will enjoy the slideshow of various colors. Just enjoy it and wait. Windows 8 is for phones also. It will install some apps like SkyDrive, Internet Explorer, etc. You can download other apps from the store also, that I'll show you afterwards. Once Windows has been installed and started, it will take some time. Now that you can see the Windows 8 is installed. Now I'll see some settings of Windows 8. As you can see, the window is very small, square sized. So to avoid this and to make the full screen, we need to install guest edition of VirtualBox. You can do install guest edition by going to device menu, click on install guest editions. Just wait to load the guest edition. Now here you can see D drive. You can hear that sound, VirtualBox guest edition. Tap to choose what happens with this. Just click, left click once and click on run. Just click yes. Just click next. The installation directory, no need to change it. Click next. Just click install. It is installing guest drivers. Here I am installing this Windows 8 on Windows 7. This is Windows 7. As you can see, the Windows 7 is called host OS and Windows 8 is called guest OS. Just check always trust software, so you don't need to click on install many times. Just click install once. screen is normal. You can hear that sound. That means everything is installed properly. Just reboot the system. Do not do anything without restarting, or else it will not work. So just restart before doing anything. Windows is getting restarted. Again, the black screen is normal. You can see it is done. Just click on view and switch to full screen mode. You can see the full screen. Now go to lower bottom right corner, click on gear, that is settings. Click on change PC settings. If you want to shut down and restart, you have to click on power button. Maximize the volume. Click on change PC settings. You can change all your settings from here. Click on personalize. To personalize your account, this is first login screen, lock screens. You can change the start screen also. There are many colors available, many designs available. You can change your account picture also. Just click on user. You can switch to Microsoft account from here. If you want to create password for local account, just click on create password. Type the password. You can see your password by clicking this I button. For temporary, you have to keep it, you have to hold it button to see the password. You have these options in all the browsers also. For Windows 8 only, you can type the hint, just click next, click finish, and the password is created. Another thing, you can choose notification, messaging, music, every. Just click Alt F4 to close this. Your mail, if you sign in with Microsoft account, you will see your mails here. You can see your Facebook peoples here. You can see chat with Facebook peoples from messaging. If you have Android phone, you can connect it with the Windows 8 and you can see all your to-do list in this calendar. You can sync SkyDrive also. This is App Store of Windows. You can download many apps from this App Store. If you want to go to desktop, just go to desktop. Your net is also activated. Now I'll show you some tips for Windows 8 to create password. For that I'll need a picture. I'll download it from internet. The net is working. No need to install any driver. Just install guest edition. One thing about Internet Explorer, if you want to see all the open tabs, just right click on the page. You'll see all the tabs here. It is only one showing one because only one is open. Windows 8. I'll download one image from here. Okay, I'll select this one. Save picture to library. If you have heard that Lenga song, Everything at Once, Windows 8 is truly everything at once. Just go to change PC settings, go to user, create a picture password, click on it. Just type the password, current password, click OK, it's current password. You can create by making circle or making line or just click. You can do anything. Choose picture, select this picture, open, use this picture. I have 3 lines to draw. I'll create a circle this way from right. I'll create circle on 8 from left, and I'll make a line on the last sentence from left to right. The direction is very important here. Circle from right, circle from left, line from left to right, and it's done. Click on finish, and your picture password is ready to use. Just close this and restart the Windows. The Windows is getting restarted. Again, the black screen is normal. This is lock screen. Just click once anywhere. Now you can switch to password. Just type your password, or if you want to use this picture password. Now if I'll draw this, the first circle was from right to left. If I'll draw from left to right, it will not accept. The picture password is incorrect. Try again. If you not remember, just switch to password. I know that. Just right circle, left circle, right circle, left circle, left to right line, and it's done. Now if you want to access any drive from Windows 7, that is host OS, just go to device, click on shared folders, click add, choose any drive or any folder you want. I'll select this drive, E drive. click OK. I'll make it read only. Auto mount means it will be mounted automatically at the boot time, and make it permanent. Type any name. The blank space is not permitted here. Just click OK. This is read only. Now I want to create another folder. Before that, I'll show you something. There is no folder other than VirtualBox VHD here. Now I'll create a folder, shared folder in that drive, that is on D drive. I'll make it full access. On D drive, make a new folder, type name, any name you want. Just click OK. 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 To make it effective, if we need to restart the Windows, just restart. Just click anywhere. Now that you can see the shared folders here. As you can see, E drive and ABCD folder here. Also you can see it here also. ABCD folder, there is nothing. Now I'll do something. I'll copy this folder to ABCD folder, and it's here. You can see this. Now go to MUI. You can click on window button on keyboard, or go to bottom right corner, select start. Again select start. You will go to desktop. Here from this store you can download as much apps you want. This is weather, SkyDrive. Desktop you want to go to from here. If you'll go to left hand side corner, upper left corner, you'll see desktop and current open apps like photos. I'm opening photos, then messaging, then calendar. Now here I can see all this which are open currently. Calendar, I can close this by just right click, click close, right click, click close, right click close. If you want to minimize this, just minimize. If you want to make it small, just make it small. Again switch to full screen. If you want to save the status of current Windows, just close it and click on save the machine state. Just click OK. It will save the current machine state, and once you reopen that, you can continue from this only. I've saved one more. Just click here, click on start, and it is restoring virtual machine. that's all, it's done. You can change the settings. Just close, just shut down the PC, shut down. You can pin it, always show toolbar. Now that you can change the settings here, you can change the name, advanced description, where the snapshot folder is, description, system, how much RAM you want to allocate, storage device, audio, display device, network adapter, serial ports. You can access serial ports also. You can access USB also. You can access shared folders also. If you want to access USB or CD DVD drive, just start. I'm again. Now if I want to access USB drive, just click on device, select USB or that say USB drive from this menu, and to select DVD or CD device, select device from this menu. You can close this, you can shut down. And that's all. You can use the Windows 8. This is Viral Patel.